There's lots of uses for buttons in Wyz Create. Here's a fun one. So the last thing I want to do is I want a button that is completely sneaky. You're not really going to know it's there if you're a user. So the reason we want that to be sneaky is we want it to make a different object appear or disappear. I'm going to go back into Objects, back into Button, and just what we've been doing so far by changing the properties, I want this one to be completely see-through by the end. I'm just going to place it over here by the actually. Let's hide this one on this book down here like that might be a clue. Okay, I'm going to tap in there and I'm going to give this one the name of book because it's on top of the book. I'm going to delete the words in the title and click Save. Going to change the style to transparent and the border thickness to 0. So by this point, you should probably be getting the hang of that part. So if I exit that, you can see that's a really sneaky button. No one knows it's there. It's completely see-through. But if you tap there, it's still there. By the way, if you ever have a button that you've made it so sneaky that you forgot where it was, there's an easy way to find it again. If you tap anywhere in your background to bring up the page editor, and you go to your Objects tab, you can see a list of all the objects that you have on your page. This is why it's really helpful to give your buttons or objects names that make sense so that you can remember what they are when you see them in a big long list like this. So in this case, we named that one book. If I click it, then I'm in the button's object editor. So just a little tip if you forget where you put your buttons. Next, let's hide a clue for the button to show.